I didn't know you were going to gun show today.
Yeah, Jesus Christ.
Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. We're going to continue on with the American Rumba, and we're going to combine the first 3 patterns so you can see a combination.
We are going to do a box step. Beautiful. We're going to rotate this box to my left. Nice. We're going to do a walk around turn from here. Incredible. We're going to stay facing this direction and do a side basic from half a box. First position breaks in this side basic. Then we can go back to a box again, repeat the whole thing.
Okay, we'll demo that from the other side with some rhythm for you.
Box slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, rotating, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, a walk around turn, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, side basic, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It really helps us out. And if you haven't checked it out yet, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com. We have all of this content up there already, plus much more that you don't see here on YouTube. So go check that out, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye!